This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is an amazing platform where different creators come together to share and teach you different skills like illustration, graphic design, photography, video editing, and much more. The classes include a combination of video lessons and a class project. If you want to learn more about productivity, then you should check out an online course by the productive guru himself, 𝐼𝐜𝐴𝐵, called the Productivity Masterclass. The course consists of 14 classes in total, and he goes through how to use different laws and principles to boost your motivation and limit your procrastination. I've taken the class myself and have really enjoyed it. So if you are interested, Skillshare is only less than $10 a month, but the first 1,000 people to use the link below will get to try out Skillshare Premier membership for free, where you can get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects.
nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before this decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth.